Okay, so this is a video about installing your 4G router system. So first of all, this is an IP65 box because these should be getting fitted outside. We've been to a number of properties now where you might have a battery storage system at one end of the house. This is my model house, and these have been getting fitted inside next to the fuse board. So we're trying to get a 4G signal through the entire house, outside and often into some metal enclosures. That is why they're not pairing. And in those particular houses, actually I've been to a couple of the sites, we simply moved this, just using a power cable, moved it, held it outside, all of a sudden everything paired. It's just the signal strength was not strong enough. You're asking the 4G to do too much, okay? So where you've got a battery system, doesn't matter where you locate it, that's the ideal place to fit this unit here. You've often got an AC isolator anyway, so you can come off the AC isolator to create power to this unit, and then always try and put the unit as high as you can up on the wall, because signals tend to fall downwards from a 4G network. They do go everywhere, but these particularly downwards. So these need to be getting fitted outside, close to your battery storage system. You will have no issue with pairing. However, also, sometimes on some of the sites, we're looking to install air source heat pumps as well as a battery storage system. Now you may have, this is my model, an outdoor fan unit for your battery storage system, for your heat pump. But that's not what we're pairing to. We're pairing to the indoor unit. It's got a little antenna on it. That's what we are pairing to. Now in this instance, again, we might be at the stage where the battery storage system outside, the 4G is outside, but it could be that the signal to get all the way up to the indoor unit with the aerial on it, that is becoming a problem. The ideal way to do this is to actually pair it using this unit before you physically fix this unit. So for example, what you could do is just use an extension lead and position it somewhere, and then go ahead and pair it. Yes, everything's online and this is online, that's where I'm going to locate it, then you can fix it there. So in those instances, don't fix it and then find it won't pair, trial it somewhere and then you can pair it. And one last thing I'm going to say is when you are searching on the app, the items will show up as available to pair. Now that does not mean that the 4G signal is strong, because you're actually using Bluetooth at that point. When you then come to pair it, if they don't pair, it's because now the 4G signal isn't strong enough. So that's a clear indication that you're asking the 4G system to do too much, to go through too many walls or from inside to outside. So just check it, put it online, be happy that everything is paired, then fix it. Then we should have no issues with getting all of these systems online.